appears heavily on the Spanish diet, but no more so than here in Asturias, where it is present as chorizo, morcilla, lacón, panceta. You can enjoy it in a bean stew at Christmas, winter, or you can have it in a joyful barbecue in summer. I'm out here looking for a very rare breed of pig that is very special to this area, el Gochu Asturcelta, and this is its habitat. Look at this, an amazing animal. This is a majestic Gochu Asturcelta. These acorns are what these fellows are hunting for in this forest, along with chestnuts. They will walk for miles. That's why they've got such long legs and they're such fit animals. And this is what makes their meat so succulent and so interesting, in the sense that you can cook it almost in any way. But to talk about the quality of this meat, there's no one better than my dear friend, Gipsy Chef Pablo Albuerne, who's cooking a real surprise for us today.
Oh my God! Yes! Yes! First of all, that's a 2 days process. First of all, I marinated this with white wine, with orange, with salt. Then I chopped the head off because it was too big for me. I ordered 12 kilos pig and they gave me 19 kilos pig. That was huge. I chopped off the head, then cut the feet, and then put in this structure for 1 hour and a half that took us to put it inside. Then make the hole. Sebastian did it, I didn't do the hole. And then cook for about 6 hours. 4 hours one side, 2 hours the other side. And that's it, ready. In Asturian language, pork is gochu. It's a free-range pork, and it's so special because it's not too fatty, but it's so tasty. And they say it's hard to cook it. I think it's easy, with a hole and fire. This is it. It's like candy. Oh my God, it's crispy, but in the mouth it's a bit sticky, but it's bad. The taste is magic.